Welcome to Craft Catalog, where creativity meets simplicity. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting transformations in DIY woodworking, turning pallet scraps into high-end furniture pieces that look like they came straight out of a luxury catalog. Yes, you heard that right. Those rough, unwanted wooden pallets that many people throw away can actually become stunning, designer-style furniture, with just a little creativity and the right finishing touches. Let's explore how to take something ordinary and make it extraordinary. First, let's talk about why pallet wood is so special. It's affordable, easy to find, and often free. Pallet wood has character. Those natural marks, knots, and grain patterns give your furniture a rustic, authentic charm that new lumber simply cannot match. But here's the real secret. With proper preparation and a good finish, you can make pallet wood look just as elegant as expensive hardwood. So before you even start your project, spend a few minutes cleaning and sanding your pallet pieces. Smooth edges, fill cracks, and get rid of splinters. That's the foundation of turning scrap into sophistication. Now, let's jump into the first transformation idea, the modern pallet bench. This is a simple yet striking piece. Cut your pallet boards to the same length, join them together side by side, and attach sturdy legs. You can leave the surface natural for a rustic look or stain it deep walnut for a luxurious finish. The result? A piece that looks like it came from a high-end furniture store, but costs almost nothing. It fits beautifully in an entryway, balcony, or even as a dining bench. Second, try making a pallet side table. Stack or layer pallet wood pieces to form a compact cube, then sand and stain it for a sleek look. You can add a metal base or hairpin legs for that modern industrial touch. Finish it with clear matte varnish or glossy polish, depending on your style. This type of furniture works perfectly for small spaces, and the best part is that no two pieces will ever look the same. Every grain and imperfection tells a story. Third, one of the easiest and most satisfying projects, the wall-mounted pallet shelf. Cut a few boards, secure them together, and mount them horizontally. Add small brackets or support beams underneath for stability. You can use these shelves to display plants, candles, or picture frames. A dark stain against a light-colored wall instantly creates contrast and visual appeal. This idea combines style and function, exactly what good home decor should do. Fourth, let's talk about the pallet coffee table with storage. This is where creativity meets practicality. You can build a sturdy base using pallet frames, then add a smooth top from reclaimed boards or plywood. Add caster wheels or a bottom shelf for baskets and magazines. Once finished, apply a coat of natural wood oil or polyurethane to bring out the grain and protect the surface. This piece will become the centerpiece of your living room, proof that even discarded wood can shine with a bit of love and craftsmanship. Finally, here's the fifth idea, the floating pallet headboard. This one completely transforms a bedroom. Arrange pallet boards horizontally or vertically, depending on your preference. Secure them together and mount them behind your bed for a warm, cozy, designer-inspired look. Add LED strip lights behind the edges for a soft, ambient glow. It's elegant, affordable, and adds a touch of natural charm that feels straight out of a luxury hotel. Now, what makes all of these projects successful is not just the wood, it's the finishing touches. Even the most basic design can look expensive with the right details. Here are a few simple tricks to elevate your pallet furniture instantly. Always sand thoroughly, smooth surfaces look cleaner and more refined. Use rich stains like espresso, dark oak, or golden teak for a high-end effect. Apply a clear finish, matte for modern looks or gloss for elegance. Mix materials, wood with metal, rope, or glass adds visual interest. Style smart, a simple vase, candle, or throw blanket can make any DIY piece look professional. Another important factor is sustainability. When you reuse pallet wood, you are not just saving money, you are reducing waste and creating eco-friendly art. Each time you build with reclaimed wood, you give new life to something that would otherwise be discarded. It's creativity with purpose. And if you are looking to start a small side hustle, pallet furniture is one of the best ways to begin. People love the rustic yet modern aesthetic, and because your materials are inexpensive, your profit margin is high. Simple tables, benches, or shelves can easily find buyers, especially when presented with clean photos and a good fit. Whether you are decorating your home, gifting a handmade piece, or starting your woodworking journey, remember this. You do not need expensive tools or fancy materials to create something beautiful. You just need imagination, patience, and a bit of time. Every project starts with a few rough boards, but with your creativity, it can end as a masterpiece. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Craft Catalog, and turn on the notification bell. New videos drop every week, packed with simple, stylish, and affordable woodworking ideas that you can actually make. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep turning scrap into style, one pallet at a time.